Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I am going to share with you why you will not make money with Infinity Processing System. Alright, now look, it's time to keep it real. It's a lot of videos out here, you know what I mean, talking about the program, people recruiting people, some people hating on it, whatever. But I'm gonna keep it real, alright? Infinity Processing System is legit. It really is, right? Infinity Processing System is a training platform that really does teach people how to make money from their social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all that blah blah blah, right? It's really training back there. So when you join IPS, you get your login information, you can actually start learning how to market online using social media, right? That's facts. This is real deal. Can you earn instant commissions? Yes, you will earn $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 commissions, depending on what level you come in at, right? But you might not be successful with it, right? Why it won't work for you? The reason it won't work for you, the only reason it won't work for you is because you didn't take it serious. All right, that's it. I said it. All right, you didn't take it serious. And what I mean by that is I see so many people, right? I got so many people on my opt-in list. You know, I had so many people ask me questions on Facebook. People even text me, right? They text me and they ask me about Infinity Processing System. Like, I'm interested, right? And then to me, I ain't gonna lie. If you new to making money online or struggling or whatever, and you're trying to really get in the game, I'm like, Infinity Processing System is like it's a no-brainer, right? That's what people say. Like, this is like, damn, you can make $50 commissions sent straight to you. You can earn $300. I'm like, damn, I don't get it. I literally do not get it. When people like ask all these questions about Infinity Processing, it's almost like they try to talk themselves out of an opportunity, because I'm like, damn, how easy is it? IPS, it's a training system. It teaches you. So you have training, right? And once you are a member, you actually are getting the rights to actually sell this training. So imagine if you created a training course, a training system, right? Imagine you created it and you would go out and sell it, right? That's all it is. That's all Infinity Processing System is. It's training that you are able to promote and sell to other people. But you have to decide what level you want to come in at, because there's a $50 training level. Yes, you have to pay for it. There's a $150 level, right? And there's a $300 level. Period. Pick a level. You know what I'm saying? So many people are like, well, okay, the level and $50. No. You pick a level. What level you want to come in at? Whatever level you decide is the level that you can earn that commission on, right? So if you decide, hey, I'm feeling this IPS. Yo, I want to come in at the $50 level. Boom. That's it. Boom. Pay your $50. You get access. You get training. Boom. Now you're able to start earning $50 commissions. That's it. So now, what I see a lot of people is when they don't take serious, they get it. They get involved. They pay the $50, they come in, they go through the training? I don't know. But now they're stuck. They're like, yo, this don't work. I'm like, what'd you do? Well, nothing really. I'm just saying, like, where the money at? Did you promote? Did you go through the training that you paid for? The training that you paid for, did you go through it? Did you do it step by step? Did you put in a real effort, right? Nah, not really though, but I'm going to start next week. Well, then that's when you're going to start your opportunity to earn $50 commissions or $150 commissions or $300 commissions, right? People are making money with Infinity Processing System. So I don't care how many videos you watch, whether they're hater videos or they're people trying to get you to join the, IPS, whatever. It's a real program. It's a legit program. Yes, you can really earn commissions, but I stress to people, like, you have to put in the effort, because remember, all this make money online stuff you're being an entrepreneur. Like, it's no guarantee that you're going to make, $1,000 next month with IPS or with any of these online programs. If you come up with your own product, is there a guarantee if you created your own training course, is there a guarantee that you're going to make $1,000? No. But what you can guarantee is your effort. That's what you can control. That's what you can guarantee, your effort. Your effort to do what you need to do, follow the training, and not quit, right? If you try this program for a month and you haven't seen any results, that's not the sign to quit. That's the sign to reevaluate the strategy that you're using. Maybe go back into training and try the Facebook strategy, try the YouTube strategy, try the TikTok strategy. That's what you paid for, right? That's the training that you paid for. So, it's like, damn, people be weird sometimes. Like, this shit ain't complicated. It really ain't. And the only reason you're going to fail with this program is if you don't take it serious, right? And I think a lot of people don't, because it's just so easy to give up on, right? Especially if you spend $150. You want to earn $150 commission. You know how dope that is to get $150 sent to you, right? To your Cash App or to your Stripe or to PayPal. You know how dope that is to be able to do that? So you pay that money out to be able to receive those type of commissions. You don't do it for a month or 2 weeks or 2 months. You ain't make no money. So you're like, oh, you know what? It was only $150. Shit, I'm over that. I'm moving on to the next thing. Let me tell you something. The next thing that you choose, that you think is all that and all that, you still got to put that same effort in that you need to put in for IPS. Bottom line is, the opportunity is there, right? You just have to take an effort. And one more thing, people always contact me about IPS, Infinity Processing System, and they like, whoa, this cost? Damn. Listen, not you, because I'm sure you smart. I'm sure you watching this, like you vibing with me. You into the whole make money online entrepreneur stuff. But when you look at the sales page for IPS, it says clear as day, what package do you want? The $50 level, $150? So many people, I can't believe it, guys. And I know you ain't like that, because you made it to this point, so you damn near ready to rock and roll and sign up to IPS, learn this system, and start making that money. So I'm done with this video. Click the link in the description if you're ready to join IPS. When I see you join, I'm gonna do everything I can to help you be successful with the program. So I will see you on the other side. Peace.